do want to also hear before we go, like, what was your path into STEM? And
Yeah.
how did you become a professional software engineer? And what do you like? What do you do? What's your day job? If you can talk about it.
So I'm a software engineer by day, and the way that I got into it was kind of by luck. So I actually grew up in the Philippines, and I went to high school there, and my junior year is when they started offering computer science courses. And I was kind of one of the lucky ones to be able to actually go to a school that offered computer science, because we had, computer classes, but they're mostly about using the computer, not coding.
I had typing.
Yeah, we had typing.
I had typing.
Yeah.
Twice.
Yeah.
Twice.
So
yeah.
I feel like if I did not have that computer science course in high school, I definitely wouldn't have chosen computer science as a major.
Mm-hmm.
And I wouldn't have gotten into coding. I mean, like my first, after I took that course, the other thing that happened was that Neopets was a thing. Do you know about Neopets?
Oh, Robin's saying yes. I'm
Yeah.
like, well, I mean, I remember like Tamagotchis.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of this in the same era, but
Okay.
Neopets are like this online game where you collect pets and then you take care of them. And there's this whole community of people who have have the Neopets, and then you have daily games that you can play to earn currency. I forget what the currency was called. And then you can dress up your Neopets or make a home for them and stuff with the currency that you earn from the mini games. So that was a thing for a while, and you could customize your profile from with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that's kind of how I started with. That's one of the first things that I did to learn how to code, is to be able to customize my Neopets page.
Oh, cool.
So I feel like I definitely it was kind of a bit of luck and encouragement. That's how I started, and I think it's been a really good turn of events for me. I mean, I feel like coding is such an important skill right now, but I also feel like the reason why I am really interested in hardware is because it's so different from what I use, the software world, know. I tend to gravitate towards projects that have a little bit of coding in them, but not a lot, not super complex. I had this BMO project, and I haven't been able to add as much to it because it's on a Raspberry Pi. It's using processing. I have to do more things with processing to processing JS to actually no, just processing, not processing JS, to make it do more things. And I'm like, I soldered all the things and I 3D printed all the things, and it's showing a face. I'm like, I could probably get through the software part of it, but I don't know. Things like this, where it doesn't require code at all, is more of a novel experience for me.
It's more different from your normal day to day.
Yeah. I already have to
feel
fight.
like work.
Yeah, exactly. I already have to fight a bunch of complex coding systems at work.
It's not what you want to do when you're at home to
really
relax.
I mean, some people really like doing that too as a hobby, but just, I don't know, this is fun. Being able to just make stuff like this is fun.